Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can move files between Google Drive and Google Photos. Moving files between the Drive and Google Photos can be done manually as Google no longer offers an automatic sync between the two platforms. So this is how you can move files effectively. First, you can manually download and upload. So download the file from Drive. Just open Google Drive in your browser and then locate the files or folder that you want to move. So in here, for example, I'm going to download this and also this image right here, this photos. You can just tap on this three dot and choose to download. And once the photos downloaded, you can use Google Photos upload options in Drive. So open Google Photos in your browser, this one. You can click on a plus icon and choose to add photos. Here you can go with import photos or you can just go with Google Drive. So let's try to use Google Drive. Apparently you can easily sync or just upload the photo automatically. Just choose the photos that you want to add to the Google Photos and tap on upload. Here you can go with original quality if you want to be the base quality, and just like that now the photos will be moved to the Google Photos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.